shape, they're steady and tight. Particles barely move, just a little wiggle inside. Like dancers in a crowd, packed in one small space. They vibrate in their spots, but don't leave their place. Liquids slide past, they flow with ease. Like bikers on a path, moving where they please. They take the shape of their container, that's their rule. Pour them in a glass or fill a pool. Solids hold their shape, particles barely move. Liquids take their container shape so smooth. Gases spread out wide, fill in every place. Fast and free, they'll expand through the space. Solids are everywhere, like rocks and wood. Your desk, your toys, and the neighborhood. Liquids are flowing, water and milk. Juice in a cup or honey, smooth as silk. Gases are tricky, they're hard to see. Like air around us or steam from tea. Balloons with helium or bubbles of air. These are examples found everywhere. Gases move fast, spreading far and wide. They fill up the room no matter the size. Particles collide, bouncing all around, moving freely with speed. They can't be bound. They're in the air we breathe, in the clouds we see. Blowing in the wind or steam from tea. From carbon dioxide to helium high. Gases are everywhere, they reach the sky. Yeah. Solids hold their shape, particles barely move. Liquids take their container shape so smooth. Gases spread out wide, fill in every place. Fast and free, they'll expand through the space. States of matter change and you'll see it all. From ice that melts to raindrops that fall. Look around your home, your car, or outside. Matter is everywhere, far and wide. Stay tuned for more, we've got lots to share. Another song all about it, so be prepared. Yeah. Solids hold their shape, particles barely move. Liquids take their container shape so smooth. Gases spread out wide, fill in every place. Fast and free, they'll expand through the space.
Hi, I'm Maple. Don't forget to like and subscribe.